Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to add a column to a chart in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my blank document. Now I add a column chart in this document. At first you have to go insert menu. Now you can see here are chart option. Now you can see here are bar chart, column chart, line chart and pie chart. Now I choose column chart. Just press it and wait some moment. Now you can see I insert my column chart in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.